The smoke's thicker today.
Aye. Best keep moving before we're noticed.
Does anyone still trust those altars?
Fewer by the hour. Come on.
You're gonna clean that?
Eventually.
We were called to serve the Holy One, not ourselves. I will not let the temple rot in their hands.
The hosts of Assyria have filled the valley. Their shadows reach our gates before the night does.
I know what waits for us, and I will lead Judah with honor.
We'll raise these walls again, stone by stone.
Let's begin.
You must now consecrate yourselves and cleanse this holy place according to his command.
Again, pull! It's moving! Hold it steady!
As you command, my lord.
You must now consecrate yourselves to the Lord, and cleanse this holy place according to his command.
It will be done, my king.
Got it. 1, 2, lift, and drop. That's the last big one. Good. Back to the silver. Shining like new.
All right, let's try it. That's it. The temple sounds whole again.
The first offering is set.
Let it rise pure and unwavered.
May our prayer ascend with it.
Look at that smoke, rising straight to the heavens.
It's like our hearts are going with it.
He has heard us.
Yes, mercy at last.
Another mile to the next farm.
We'll be there before the sun tips.
A message from the king.
Thank you, sir. What is it, Mama?
An invitation to the Passover feast.
2 more deliveries and the city.
Let's keep the pace. Look at that fancy seal!
A rooster with a crown? Who do they think we are?
I'll show them what I think. There and there! Gone with the wind!
That'll teach their high mightiness.
The words are heard. Let's be quick. There's a feast to witness.
Yes, Father.
Keep close, little ones. We'll reach the gate before the sun is low.
So many hearts returning, all at once. Lord, let our steps be true before you.
Listen to them. It's like the whole city is singing.
They're singing because we're forgiven. It's beautiful, isn't it?
More than I imagined. More than I deserve.
The gate won't hold. Hurry!
Mama, wait for me!
I'm here. Grab my hand. Stay close.
Everyone on the road! Don't look back!
So many. Yet the Lord will keep his city.
Aye, it's moving. One more hit should do.
Aye. The northern flank must be sealed before nightfall. Move your men there and double the watch.
At once, my king.
And here, this gap needs a fresh course of stone. Keep the lift running.
You heard him. Hoist it steady. Hear me, you on the wall of Jerusalem. Thus says the great king of Assyria. No god of any land has delivered it from his hand. Who then will deliver you?
Speak to your servants in Aramaic.
Hey! Do not trust in your God! He will not deliver you from the king of Assyria!
from the very heavens! Woe to us!
I'll tell the king at once!
May mercy keep him!
See what they send against us.
My lord, the prophet of Jerusalem.
Peace to you, son of David. I've brought the word you sought.
Then there is hope. Speak, and I will listen.
There is hope and guidance for the days ahead.
Thus says the Lord, he will not shoot an arrow here, nor come before it with a shield.
Then the city stands?
It stands. The Holy One himself will defend it.
Then let my heart be still.
Envoy! The prophet says the Lord will defend this city! He says, you are nothing!
Nothing? He dares! Tell the king we march closer. If they want defiance, they'll taste it.
Every one of them. They're just gone. Not a sound. Not a guard standing. What could do this?
The camp! It's gone! Bodies everywhere. Not one soldier left standing.
Gone? How?
We woke to silence and death. The rest fled in terror.
Retreat! Back to Nineveh! Move!
He delivered us! Blessed be the Lord forever!
Look at us, brother! We're home!
I can't stop smiling!
Praise his name!
Thanks, everyone!
Freedom at last!
The Lord has done as he spoke. The Assyrian host is no more, and not a hand of yours was lifted.
Then the city has been saved by his word alone.
Indeed. Rest in his peace, my king.
I will.
Look at them, Elias, laughing, trading free.
Your Majesty, peace suits this city, so does your rule.
All of it. Crafted, gathered, kept safe for this kingdom. With stores like these, who could ever threaten us? We are secure. We are strong.
The siege left its dust on everything, but the sun still finds a way through. If the walls can shine again, so can I.
Set your house in order, for you will die and not recover.
Lord, guide my steps.
Lord, give me strength. Please. Oh Lord, I have walked before you with all my heart. Remember me, please. Show mercy to your servant.
Return, my servant.
Lord, back to the city?
There is more to say.
My lord, Huff, word from the watchtower. The Lord has spoken. Huff, you're to wait only 15 days. 15!
15. Blessed be his mercy. I hear. It eases, like a cool breeze after the heat.
Keep still, my lord. Let the figs work.
I will. Let it return.
My lord. Strength. It's back. I'm whole. Merciful God, you heard me.
Envoys of Babylon, Judah welcomes you with open doors and open hearts. May the splendor of our hall honor your visit.
Your Majesty, the king we serve will be pleased. We are honored to stand in your presence.
Goblets, platters, pitchers, each hammered from pure gold. Our fathers have gathered them for generations. And here the crown itself, set with stones from every border of Judah. Remarkable. Such...
Behold the strength of Judah. Every shield polished, every spear honed.
Our soldiers stand ready. Our storehouse is full. Tell your masters, peace is ours to give.
What did these men say? What have they seen in your house?
I showed them everything. The vaults, the armory, all of it.
Hear the word of the Lord. The day will come when all you displayed will be carried to Babylon, and your sons will serve there in
So be it, Lord. Your word stands.
For now, the city is at peace. Perhaps that's enough. Until the Lord shows the next step.
Even in this golden calm, the stones seem to whisper of something yet to come.
Our people thrive when justice is practiced in the streets. The altar must burn clean, our hearts with it. So we write the law, and we live by it, generation after generation.
Small singer, you have more kingdom than I ever could. May it always be this quiet.
May his memory be a crown of peace.